It's Ken Long at Tortoise Capital, sniper trade of the day for April 22nd, 2026. We have Advanced Micro Devices Semiconductor. This is 10-minute charts. Blue box is the last 30 minutes from yesterday. Yellow dot is the gap up. We're on 10-minute chart, so we let the first 10-minute candle develop. We use that as the breakout. It breaks out to the downside. I'll play it short with a standard $2 risk based on statistics. It's going in our favor. Out reverses 1, 2, 3 exit, 1 hour loss. It crosses the VWAP. This is a stop and reverse. Take a second position when it breaks to a new high of the day. Looking favorable. The RL10 goes negative slope. So now we exit at the spine of the dragon, and that is about a 4R win. We get a Kata 2 re-entry on a 1, 2, 3 as it crosses the spine of the dragon. The slope of the RL10 improving. PSAR maintaining steady. Second position on the Kata 2. Got about half an hour left in the day, so I'm stalking the exit. Ease out of this thing with about another 4R. Good day in AMD. We'll see you in the chat room. Come on and get coached. It's how we get it done.